This Samsung dryer has a problem. You have to press very hard here to make it work. I can't even get it on right now. Let's take a look. So I just unplugged it, took out the water tray, the 2 screws at the back here on the corners holding the top on. Looks like this will be next here. About 5 screws across the front and top there. Now just to unscrew here and unclip this circuit board. So this was a bit tricky. There were just so many clips here that you have to kind of... I just used a screwdriver and worked my way around till this panel came off. And so this is the button that seems to be faulty. Here's the power, here's the play pause button. So this is pretty cool. I just plugged it back in and without touching anything dangerous, just see the button's actually working fine. And so considering that, I was just feeling the button, it seems to be fine. I'm thinking maybe it's this snapped bracket here, so when it pushes it doesn't actually connect with the button. First thing I'm going to try is just some of these furniture dots on these two. You can see I put them on there to try to create a bit more grip and connect with those 2 black buttons. Those furniture dots were way too thick, so I'm just trying this plastic from this battery packet to broaden the contact point of those buttons. Alright, here's the test. Fantastic. So we'll just do a final test. Switch it on at the wall. Amity's going to try it out.
Yay!
Awesome.